to all aspects of it. You know, what practically is this a good idea? Spiritually, is this a good idea? What about the emotional side of this thing? You know, is that a good idea? How is it going to impact, perhaps psychologically on me? And also, from a charitable perspective, how is this going to impact other people? Most especially my family. How is it going to impact them? What are my duties and responsibilities in that regard? And, where are the pros in all of this? Where are the pros? And so we list them according to all of these aspects of the realities of life, not just one of them. And then we list the cons according to the same way. What are the cons? Practically, what are the cons? What might be some of the emotional cons that could happen here? Let me give you an example for a moment here. What if you had a problem with drugs? Let's just suppose you do. Let's suppose that you're a recovering addict. And let's